Hello my lovely people. So today I'm going to prepare some few chapatis, beans and meatballs. So let me take you through this a bit of a long video. So here I have my flour, my salt and some oil. So I'm going to mix it up. So I've just mixed up my flour and made my dough. So this is the way it is. Let's go to the next step. I have actually made 4 balls. So I'm going to make, so let's go to the other next step as we keep on continuing preparing our chapati. So this is our next step. What I'll do is just I'll add some oil there. This is how I make. Everybody has his own design of making this, so this is how I do it. So this is how it is. Then I'll press it here. So I'll make all of them like that. I'm done with this step. So what I'll do, I've made my 4 balls. Then I'll cover them for 20 minutes. Then I'll cook them. Just covered it with this and then I'll leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you can see, now we have started to prepare our chapati. So this is our first. I've just rolled it out. Our first chapati. As you can see, there were 4, now there are 3. And our pan is ready. Our chapati pan is ready. So let us start cooking. Just placed the chapati on the pan. See, our chapati is starting to get ready. I've just added some oil, so I'll turn it and add some oil on this side too. So let us continue to cook our chapati. See, our chapati is now ready. It has become golden brown. So our first chapati is ready. So guys, as you can see, this is our last chapati. Our chapatis are ready. These are our chapatis. Our chapatis are ready. Guys, so our chapatis are ready. They came out soft. Let me show you. My lovely people, as I said when I was starting the video, so we are having chapati and beans. So my beans are ready. As you can see, these are my beans. Then these are the ingredients that I'm going to have. So I have tomato, ginger, garlic, some pili pili, onion and carrot. So let me cut them. Then we continue with our cooking. Please like, subscribe and share, comment and tell me what you think about this video and what you like me to cook or a recipe that you like me to show you. So guys, our ingredients are ready. So here we have minced ginger, garlic, pili pili, that is chili. Then we have our white onions, we have our carrot here, and then we have our tomato. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use to cook my beans. And then we have our pan that is ready with the oil. So I'm just going to add first onions, then the minced garlic, ginger, chili. Added the onions, let them cook for a while. Then I'll add the garlic, ginger, minced garlic, ginger. So let them cook for a while. Usually I like my onions cooked a bit well. So my onions for me are ready. Then I'll add my minced ginger, garlic. So I'll just mix it up. This is our ginger, garlic mixed with chili. I added my tomatoes. Then I'll cover for the tomatoes to cook. So this is my tomatoes are ready. I will add the carrot and the mixed curry and chili and black pepper, sorry. So this is our mixture. I added carrot, the mixed curry and black pepper. Then I'll cover it for a while, for like 5 minutes. Then I add my beans, just for the flavors to mix. So this is my tomatoes are ready. I will add the carrot and the mixed curry and chili and black pepper, sorry. So this is our mixture. I added carrot, the mixed curry and black pepper. Then I'll cover it for a while, for like 5 minutes. Then I add my beans, just for the flavors to mix up. Now let's add our beans. So I'll mix it up. So I've just mixed my beans with my ingredients. So now we will leave it to cook. I will cover it and leave it to cook. So our beans are ready. As you can see, guys, that our beans are ready. They are ready to serve. They look and smell so delicious. So now let's serve our beans. So those are our beans. They are ready to eat.